Hey, if you've been looking for a simple way to make money online using AI, then today's video might open your eyes a little bit, because we're talking about something that's blowing up right now: Gemini prompts. Now, before you scroll away thinking, oh great, another hype video, hear me out. This isn't about shortcuts or magic buttons. This is about understanding a real opportunity and how you can actually use it the smart way. So first, what are Gemini prompts? If you've used Google's Gemini, you already know it's powerful. But here's the truth. Most people are barely scratching the surface. They type basic instructions and get okay results. Nothing special. But when you use high-quality, well-structured prompts, everything changes. I'm talking about better content, faster results, more professional output. And that's exactly why prompts themselves have become a product. Yes, people are actually buying prompts. Why? Because they save time, they remove guesswork, and they help people get better results instantly. Now, here's where things get interesting. There's a growing trend where people are packaging prompts into digital products and selling them online. Things like ebook creation prompts, social media content prompts, affiliate marketing prompts, ad copy and branding prompts. And these are being sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and more. But let me be real with you for a second. Just having a big bundle of prompts, like 10,000 prompts, is not what makes money. In fact, that's where most beginners go wrong, because more doesn't mean better. What actually sells is specificity, quality, clear results. For example, instead of selling 10,000 Gemini prompts, a smarter approach would be 50 proven Gemini prompts to create viral Instagram posts for coaches. See the difference? One is generic, the other solves a problem, and that's the key to making this work. Now, you might be wondering, do I need to buy a big PLR package to start? Honestly, no. You can create your own. Here's a simple way to do it. Pick a niche: fitness, business, content creators, etc. Use Gemini to generate prompts, test and refine them, package the best ones into a clean, simple product. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no complicated setup. And because it's digital, you can sell it over and over again. But here's the part most people won't tell you. This only works if you focus on value, not volume. Instead of chasing easy money, focus on helping people get real results, making your product easy to understand, showing examples of what your prompts can do. Because at the end of the day, people don't want prompts, they want outcomes. They want more followers, more sales, more content faster. If your product delivers that, you're already ahead of 90% of the market. So if you're thinking about getting into this space, don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Be smarter about it, be more focused, and most importantly, be more useful. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more real, no-hype ways to make money online with AI. And let me know in the comments, would you actually try selling Gemini prompts, or are you more interested in using them for your own content? Catch you in the next one.